Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're just going to be doing some vegetables. It's that time of year when we have zucchini and squash, all kinds of vegetables. I've got zucchini, squash, tomatoes, onions, and sounds good. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the bottom of my plate here. And I've cut up quite a few of them, and over here I'll probably have to cut some more up. But I just start like this. You just start lining them up. They don't have to be perfect. And also, you know, it takes a little time to do this, so if you're working or something like that, it may take too much time, so just fine. Hey, things I do are simple and can be switched around. Oh, I love squash. My mom used to do squash, only she did it the very fattening way, which is, to me, you know, so good. She would just boil hers, and when they came off, she put cream and butter. She drained the water, cream and butter, and just a little bit of sugar and cheese. Now, that's what you call going overboard, I'm sure, but she loved it and we did too. See how pretty it looks? But like I said, it's a little time consuming. If you don't have the time, you can just fry them up. I've got my oven on 350. Actually, it may even save you time by putting them in the oven, because they are good this way. And the little round tomatoes are so good in this. They come together. And if you like squash more than you do zucchini, go for it. You can use any kind of onions, by the way. I just happened to have that red one. I thought, well, that would look awful pretty. Cut a few more. This is how I cut the vegetables. About 1/4 of an inch. I've already washed them, so they're very clean. And it's also, you know, one of those pretty dishes you can take to somewhere. I went to a buffet the other day, and they brought out fresh yellow squash. And I could see the buffet from where I was sitting, and the men were the one who used the most squash. So I was a little bit shocked about that. And the only thing they did to it was just boiled. I doubt if it even had salt in it, because they try not to do that. I know in most places, because a lot of people can't eat salt. But for this one, I was shocked it was the man who ate so much squash. I don't know why. Throw a piece of pepper in there. Cut a tomato. You know, I love these little tomatoes. I tried to find them plain this year, but they are 89 cents a pound, and the big ones are $1.89 where we go. So it does make you think. Well, see how pretty it looks? For this, I used 3 squash, 2 zucchini, 1 red onion, and 4 of the little tomatoes. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put olive oil, 2 more tablespoons of olive oil on. So I spread it around. Very good. Okay. Little garlic powder. We're going with a teaspoonful, half a teaspoonful. Or if you like garlic powder, you can use more. I like to use this. It's called Perfect Pitch. And it's just a McCormick. And this is just a mixture of all kinds of herbs and just herbs, but it is just a real good selection. And let's go with a teaspoon of salt, at least a teaspoon. This is kosher salt. And of course, a little bit of pepper. Let's go with a half a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. Well, that didn't take long, did it? So now I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. And I'm going to, about the first 20 minutes, I'm not making it real tight. I'll let it cook for about 20 minutes and then the last 10 minutes take it off. Let it brown a little bit. Anyway, well, it's time for it to get it out of the oven. If I can see out of my glasses. Yes. Very pretty. And see if everything's very good and done. Play here. My little dog is sitting in my floor, but I don't think she would like this. I'm going to try to get something of everything, especially the tomatoes. I love cooked tomatoes. It's so good. But you know what I forgot to do? Is put salt on it. I don't know why. Of all the things you'd want to put salt would be on this, but now let me try this. Let me try one with salt. Try not to tap my mouthful. Of course, it's delicious. And if you like this, I'm gonna make some cornbread. Maybe a little chicken breast. We're gonna have a good supper. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, let's take advantage of it while we can. Summer squash and things like that go quickly, don't they? Anyway, it's been a wonderful day, and we're going to enjoy it tonight. Have a good day yourself. Go get a squash or two. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. We'll see you soon.